Hello and welcome to Easton Adventures. Today me and Lori are in Rome. We've been here for 2 days and we're traveling around and going to see all the different places. Maybe give you some tips and tricks on how to get around in Rome. I don't know if you can tell the scale of these huge statues just in this plaza.
I wanted to swim in there. It's beautiful. I did not know it was this big.
It's hard to tell from this video just how big the Trevi Fountain is, but take a look at the crowd. It is packed here all the time.
Alright, well we just arrived to meet our tour group for the Colosseum tour. And look at that. It's pretty awesome. The size is not done justice by the video, I'm sure.
We did a guided tour, but definitely expect crowds. As you can see, you kind of follow a general path following your tour guide. You get some headphones to listen to what they're saying as they're walking and explaining everything that's going on. And it was a fairly long tour that lasted about 2 hours in the Colosseum before going over to the Roman Forum and spending about an hour there.
So here's the inside of the Colosseum. See where the floor would have been going all the way down into the tunnels down there. This is the Arch of Titus.
This is the second part of our 3-hour tour that included the Colosseum, and of course this being the Roman Forum and the Palatine Hills. There's tons of history that takes place within this large area of all these ruins, and of course you can hear all about it when you do the guided tour listening through your earphones to the guide.
Alright, well here we are on top of the Palatine Hills. Down below me you can see the Roman Forum and all the ruins. And then back over in the background behind me you can even see the Colosseum, which we just left. But that is going to conclude our tour for the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Palatine Hills.
So unfortunately, I did not get a ton of video inside of the Vatican Museums. I took a bunch of pictures. So here's a couple of pictures of just some of the cool statues that we saw, as well as the greatly adorned rooms and frescoed floors that they had just everywhere. It's extremely impressive. We decided to do a tour that we were self-guided, and I think that was a little better than having a tour guide in this one, actually.
Tons of people, tons of tours here, that's for sure. The wall to the ceiling. Everything completely decorated in this entire room. Got a very nice little piazza here, and right in front of us is the Pantheon. It's pretty awesome. Definitely a lot of people here. We are currently waiting to get into St. Peter's Basilica. We've been in line for about 30 minutes now, and as you can see behind me, that's the line to get in. They just opened the gate, so we're moving forward. Hopefully we'll be in soon. Well, in case you were wondering how big the Basilica is, it's kind of hard to describe or see from very far back, but this thing is enormous. These columns are 8 to 10 feet wide apiece, 100 feet tall. Alright, we are officially in St. Peter's Basilica. This is the nave. He said it's the longest nave in the world. And probably the most ornate. It's pretty incredible. Front of the church, very amazing. They're doing a couple smaller services this morning. It is Sunday. We're on our way climbing up the stairs to the top of St. Peter's Basilica. These are some funky stairs, but there's 551 of them. So hopefully we'll be to the top and not too out of shape. So you can see the statues that are on top of the Basilica behind me. So we're about a third of the way up, maybe only a quarter. You can see behind us the big dome. We're gonna be headed up to the top. I don't know if you can see the people up there, but that's where we're headed. You can hear the bell going off. It's currently at 8:45, so I don't know what's ringing for that. Maybe because Mass is about to start. It's gonna look a little crazy walking through here, but as you can see, the walls are arched because we're going up the steps at the top of the dome here almost. All the walls are bending in on us. Small steps. All right. How small these steps are. I can't even fit my foot on it. I think we're coming out at the top though. We made it. All right. Coming out. All we gotta do is take a right and we'll see the view. Follow Lori out there. Wow. All right, well, this is Vatican City from the tallest point, up on top of the dome.